How to use Lalal.ai for karaoke track creation. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Next, log into your account or create a new one if you haven't registered it. Once logged in, click on the Select Files button on the home page to upload the audio track you want to convert into a karaoke version. Browse your device, select the audio file and click Open to start uploading. Wait for Lalal.ai to process the file using its advanced AI technology. It will separate the vocals from the instrumentals. After processing is complete, you can preview the instrumental version, which is perfect for karaoke. If you like the result, download the instrumental track. Note that downloading high-quality files may require upgrading to the premium plan. And that's it. Now you know how to use Lalal.ai to create karaoke tracks easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more music and tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.